In this video we are going to talk about some of the ways to do easy calculations in maths. So let us start with our video. So let us start with trick number 1. Oops. This is the trick number 1, so we are going to start with that. Now in this trick, suppose you're given to do a sum 92 into 9. Now if you can memorize this trick properly, you can do the sum mentally within 5 seconds. So the trick is that 92 into 9, you have to multiply 2 into 9, then whatever will be the result, you have to multiply 9 into 9 and then add it. So 9 2s are 18. Now see, 18, you have to write 18 here. Okay, this is not the final answer that you are writing. You have to just write 18 here, not in carrying. 9 9s are 81, so you write 81 here. And suppose if this sum is given to you in a test, you have to do it in the rough works column. Then the next step is that 81 and 18, you just add 1 and 1. 1 and 1, if you add, what is the answer? 8. 1 plus 1, 2. 8. So isn't this trick easy? So let's do another calculation. 72 into 9. 9 2, so you can do it with any digit. I'm doing with 9 because it is much harder to be done. 9 2 is 18. 9 7 is 63. Now as I told, 3 and 1 you have to just add. Sorry if some outside noises are coming. 3 and 1 you have to just add, and the answer is 641. So this trick is mainly some students of some lower grades like 5, 6, 4, they can use this. And I will gradually go to some other grades, so some difficult calculations. Okay, trick number 2 is that if you're given 2-digit sum harder calculation like 92 into 29. Okay, so see, this you have to do everything in rough work column first, then you can just execute the answer there. What you have to do, 9 into 2, first you have to multiply, then 9 into 9, 2 into 2, whatever will be the result you have to multiply, then 9 into 2 you have to multiply and then add those up. Now I will be saying that it is a bit longer, but this is easier because 29 into 92 is much harder than doing just this small calculation like 9 to 9 multiplied 2, 9 multiplied 2, 2 2 multiplied 2. So let's start. So 9 into 2, 18, and 1 you have to write in smaller as it is carrying. Then 9 into 9, 9 into 9, and 2 into 2. Okay, 2 into 2, 9 into 9 is 81, 2 into 2 is 4. Now you have to add these two. 81 plus 4 is 85, and 1 carrying 85, 86, and 8 as carrying. Then 9 into 2, 9 into 2 is 18, 18 plus 8 is 26. Now just execute these remainders out. And you write the numbers. The answer is 2 6 6 8. Now I am explaining this, that is why it is taking a bit more time, but if you have to be honest that it will be taking more time if you do 92 into 29 without using this trick. So this is a trick I'm explaining it to you, that is why it's taking a bit time. So nothing to worry about that, it will be done in a very less time. So now trick number 2, let's do another sum of trick number 2. Suppose 56, wait, Before doing this, I would be telling you this extra tip. This is the formula. Suppose this is one number, this is one number, this is one number, this is one number, this is one number. Okay, like this though. Take these dots as number. Now this is the formula. First row, then crisscross, then the last row. If you can remember this, you can do these types of sums. This is usually Vedic maths. Okay, so this another example, 56 into 15. I take the easier one at least. 6 5 is 30, 30 0, 3 you have to place in remainder way. So if you can't understand this one, 6 are 30 0 3 carrying. Now 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6, 5 ones are 5 5s are sorry 5 5s are 25, 6 ones are 6, 31, 31 plus 3 34. Now if you skip any part of the video, you will not be able to understand, so you don't skip. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, and 5 plus 3 is 8, so the answer is 8 4 0. Sorry, 8 4 0. Okay, this is 5. Then let's move on to the next trick, that is about tables. Let's move on to the next trick, that is trick number 3. The trick number 3 is that it is about tables, and it can be done with 3-digit numbers also, but the 3-digit number thing you have to, I will teach you in the next video, because that is a bit longer. Means that will be longer if I explain it to you, but it is really easy if you do. Suppose if you take an example, 356 into 259.